Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your saved jobs and alerts into spreadsheets. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the job platform where your saved jobs and alerts are located. Log into your account using your username and password. Once you're logged in, locate the section that displays your saved jobs or alerts. Click on the Saved Jobs or Alerts link to access your list. Review your saved jobs and alerts to ensure you have everything you'd like to transfer. Select the job alerts or jobs you want to transfer by checking the appropriate boxes. If there is an option to export or download your list, click on that link. Choose the format for the export, preferably CSV or Excel if available. If the export option is not present, you can manually copy the information. Highlight the relevant text by clicking and dragging your cursor over it. Right-click the highlighted text and select Copy. Open a spreadsheet application such as Microsoft Excel or Google Sheet. Create a new spreadsheet document. Click on the first cell in the spreadsheet and right-click to select Paste. Adjust the columns as needed to ensure all information is clearly displayed. Add headers to each column for clarity, such as job title, company, and link. Repeat this process for any additional saved jobs or alerts you want to transfer. After all data is entered, review the spreadsheet for accuracy. Once you're satisfied, save your document in your preferred format. Now you have successfully transferred your saved jobs and alerts into a spreadsheet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.